Hi, welcome back. Today, we're going to unpack 10 powerful secrets to get rich faster. These aren't your average financial tips. We're diving deep into the strategies and mindsets that can catapult your wealth-building journey into the stratosphere. From mastering the art of silent success to harnessing the power of self-reliance. And it doesn't stop there. We'll explore how to diversify your income streams, why your health is a wealth magnet, and the surprising role of gratitude in attracting abundance. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to take your wealth game to the next level, these secrets are your roadmap to success. Secret 1. Work in silence. In the age of social media, it's easy to fall into the trap of sharing every goal and every plan. But here's a powerful secret. Work in silence. Let your success make the noise. Why? Because sharing your plans can invite a flood of unsolicited advice, criticism, and even discouragement from others. This noise can distract you from your path and dilute your focus. Instead, channel your energy into your work. Focus on your goals and let your actions speak louder than your words. When you work in silence, you create a space for yourself to make mistakes, learn, grow, and most importantly, to succeed. And when you do achieve your goals, your success will make the noise for you. It will be a testament to your hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It will inspire others and command respect. So keep your plans to yourself, work hard in silence, and let your success be your voice. Secret 2. Be selfish with your time and resources. When you're starting your journey to financial success, it's crucial to be a bit selfish with your time and resources. Now, we're not suggesting you turn into a hermit or ignore the needs of others. Rather, this is about understanding the value of your time and energy and using them wisely. In the early stages of your journey, your time and resources are your most valuable assets. You need to invest them in activities that directly contribute to your growth and success. This might mean saying no to social events, turning down requests that don't align with your goals, or even spending less time on leisure activities. Learning to say no is a powerful skill. It allows you to protect your time and energy and ensure they're being used effectively. It's not about being rude or dismissive. It's about setting boundaries and prioritizing your needs. As you progress on your journey and start achieving your goals, you'll find that you have more resources to share with others. But until then, don't be afraid to be a little selfish. After all, you can't pour from an empty cup. Secret 3. Learn, then do. Knowledge is indeed power, but it's only potential power until it's applied. The world is full of people who are stuck in the planning stage because they believe they need to learn everything before they can begin. This is a trap. The truth is, you learn the most through action, not from a book or a lecture. The key is to strike a balance between learning and doing. Yes, it's important to educate yourself, to understand the basics, and to plan your steps. But don't let the learning phase turn into a form of procrastination. At some point, you need to take the leap and start doing. Remember, it's okay to start before you feel ready. In fact, that's how most successful people do it. They learn the basics, they start, they make mistakes, they learn from those mistakes, and they keep going. This process of learn, do, repeat is what leads to growth and success. So don't wait until you know everything to start. Learn what you need to get started, take action, and then learn as you go. This is the path to rapid progress and success. Secret 4. Deserve what you want. There's a powerful truth in the world of success and achievement. To get what you want, you have to deserve what you want. The world isn't a wish-granting factory, and it certainly doesn't reward those who haven't put in the work. This might sound tough, but it's a liberating concept. It means that your success is directly tied to the value you create. It's not about luck or entitlement. It's about becoming the kind of person who deserves to achieve their goals. So, how do you become deserving? It starts with clarity. You need to know exactly what you want and why you want it. Then, you need to develop the skills, knowledge, and mindset necessary to achieve your goals. But it's not just about personal development. It's also about contribution. The more value you provide to others, the more deserving you become of success. This might mean solving problems, creating innovative solutions, or making a positive impact on the world. The world may not be crazy enough to reward a bunch of undeserving people, but it is fair enough to reward those who create value and make a difference. So don't just aim for what you want. Aim to become someone who deserves what they want. Secret 5. Disappear for a while and work on only one thing. In a world that glorifies multitasking, this secret might seem counterintuitive, but the truth is, focus is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success. And sometimes, the best way to harness that focus is to disappear for a while and dedicate yourself to a single goal. This doesn't mean you need to literally vanish or neglect your responsibilities. Rather, it's about creating a mental space where you can concentrate on one major goal without distractions. For 6 months, make this goal your priority. Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or mastering a new skill, give it your undivided attention. Eliminate unnecessary distractions, say no to unrelated commitments, and immerse yourself in the task at hand. During this time, you'll likely experience significant growth and progress. You'll encounter challenges, of course, but you'll also have the focus and dedication to overcome them. And at the end of the 6 months, you'll have not only made significant strides towards your goal, but you'll also have developed a deep understanding of the power of focused work. Remember, success isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing the right things at the right time, with all your energy and attention. So, don't be afraid to disappear for a while and dedicate yourself to a single goal. The results might surprise you. Secret 6. Make yourself rich first, then figure out everything else. When it comes to building wealth, priorities matter. And sometimes the best thing you can do for your future self is to focus on making yourself rich first. Now, this doesn't mean you should ignore all other aspects of your life. It simply means that in your list of priorities, achieving financial stability should take precedence. Why? Because when you're financially secure, you have the freedom and flexibility to explore and pursue other aspects of life without the constant worry of financial survival. So, how do you make yourself rich first? It starts with a commitment to financial education. Understand how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it work for you. Then, take action. Save diligently, invest wisely, and continuously look for ways to increase your income. Once you've achieved a level of financial security, you'll find that other areas of your life become more manageable. You'll have the resources to pursue your passions, the freedom to take risks, and the peace of mind to enjoy life's moments. Remember, making yourself rich isn't about greed or materialism. It's about creating a stable foundation from which you can build a fulfilling and meaningful life. So, focus on making yourself rich first, then figure out everything else. Secret 7. Every time you feel like quitting, picture your haters laughing at you. On your journey to success, there will be moments of doubt, moments when the obstacles seem insurmountable, when the setbacks feel overwhelming, and when quitting seems like the easiest option. But here's a powerful secret to keep you going. Every time you feel like quitting, picture your haters laughing at you. Now, this isn't about holding on to negativity or seeking external validation. It's about using doubt and criticism as fuel for your determination. It's about turning the desire to prove others wrong into a powerful motivator that pushes you to keep going, even when the going gets tough. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself of the people who said you couldn't do it, who doubted your abilities, who laughed at your dreams. Then, use that image as a catalyst to push harder, to go further, to prove them wrong. The sweetest revenge is massive success. So don't let the haters get you down. Instead, use their doubt as motivation to prove them wrong and achieve your goals. Secret 8. Feeling stuck is a signal that you've stopped growing. In our journey towards success, we all encounter periods where we feel stuck. It's as if no matter what we do, we're not making progress. But here's a powerful perspective shift. Feeling stuck is not a roadblock. It's a signal that you've stopped growing. Growth and progress are intertwined. When we're learning, improving, and pushing our boundaries, we move forward. But when we stop growing, we stagnate. We feel stuck. So what do you do when you feel stuck? You seek growth. You identify areas where you've become complacent and challenge yourself to learn something new, to step out of your comfort zone, to take on a new project or responsibility. Feeling stuck can be uncomfortable, but it's also an opportunity. It's a chance to pause, reassess, and redirect your efforts towards growth. It's a signal that it's time to push yourself further, to learn more, to grow more. The path to success is not a straight line. It's a series of ups and downs, twists and turns. Feeling stuck is just a part of the journey. So, when you find yourself feeling stuck, don't despair. Instead, see it as a signal that it's time to grow. Secret 9. Run one step at a time. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of wanting instant results. We see others achieving success, and we want to get there as quickly as possible. But here's a powerful secret. Success is a journey, not a sprint. And the key to this journey is to move one piece at a time and not try to jump steps. Think of it like a game of chess. You can't move all your pieces at once, and you can't skip straight to checkmate. Each move is deliberate. Each step is crucial. It's the same with your journey to success. Whether you're building a business, pursuing a career, or working towards any goal, it's important to focus on one step at a time. Each step, no matter how small, is progress, and each step brings you closer to your goal. Secret 10. Be self-reliant. In our interconnected world, it's easy to reach out for help the moment we encounter a problem. But here's a powerful secret to success. Do it yourself before you ask for help. This isn't about being stubborn or refusing to accept assistance. It's about developing self-reliance and problem-solving skills. When you make an effort to solve problems on your own, you learn more, you grow more, and you become more capable. Of course, there will be times when you need to ask for help, and that's perfectly okay. But before you do, make sure you've tried to figure it out on your own. Research, experiment, try different approaches. You might surprise yourself with what you're capable of. And even if you don't find the solution, you'll have a better understanding of the problem, which will help you ask for help more effectively. You'll be able to ask the right questions, understand the answers, and learn from the process. Self-reliance is a powerful skill. It builds confidence, fosters growth, and leads to success. So the next time you encounter a problem, try to do it yourself before you ask for help. Remember, each step you take is a step closer to your dreams, so start today, embrace these secrets, and let them guide you to the life of abundance you deserve. Don't forget, you're not alone in this journey. Join our mastermind community and connect with others who are on the same path. Your journey to wealth is not just about the destination, it's about who you become along the way. So keep dreaming, keep growing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.